Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good evening from wherever you're watching. Today we will have another exciting episode of unboxing a phone, a budget phone. And this budget phone is Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro. So let's, without further ado, let's unbox it and we will have our reviews as we unbox it and what as a user I feel. I made these videos for you, and I don't make a lot of videos, but whatever I make, so I buy these devices, items, and then I unbox it just for you to feel like a user. So apologies if you did not hear any breakdown music or nice ambience. So let's go for the real thing. So let's start. Okay, unboxing. So we started our work, and there it is. Okay, strange, the box is yellow. And just things about this phone. It's a 64 megabyte back camera, and internal memory is 512 GB, and the RAM is 12 GB, which is seriously surprising. I'm surprised with this specification and this configuration against the price. I have no idea how the phone will look like and how the phone performance will be, but that's, we will keep it for another day. So let's go and start removing the wrapper or plastic cling. There's something written over here. Yeah, this is 12 GB, 512 GB internal memory. Color is blue. Strange. I ordered the purple, but let's see what else we have. So Bismillah. But before we start, let's do our famouser flip test. So okay. Oh, past 3 flip tests. I'm surprised. Great. So okay, nothing so far. Let's see the standard. What do we have here? What is this? Of course, this is user manual. Somebody is interested to read all about it, which is there. This is maybe perhaps warranty card. Okay, it's fine. Okay, there's a soft casing, back casing. Interesting. And let's go. Okay, and the most surprising thing is that this phone is coming up with a 67 watt charger. I'm not sure that if it's a quick charger or fast charger, but we will see that. So this is a charger. Okay, and this is a cable. Let's see how it looks like. I think this is both sides. Okay, one side is USB normal and the other side is USB-C. Great, so you can use another charger. I think almost now all the new mobiles are coming up with a Type-C charging, so seems good. Fit well. Okay, so I have already charger. I will look for that. I don't know what is this. Perhaps this was the casing of phone. I do not expect that I'm gonna have charge in this mobile since they're released in January 2024. So I'm gonna connect the charger just in case if it does not power up. So let's put everything here in the box and we go with the phone. Okay, this is a phone. I don't know, it's a very shiny. Cameras, of course, seems to be bigger. 64. This is a flash. This is how it is. Bismillah. Let's power up. our phone. Gonna connect the charger. And what do I see here? Perhaps this is a speaker, it's a mic, and okay, this is a headphone jack. Maybe this is another mic. And the phone is pretty light, frankly speaking. I do not feel it much. It's around, perhaps, what is in the specification, around 180 gram. So let's go and power up our device. Okay, powering up. Good thing it's powered by Android, so I hope I will be able to install things from the Play Store. Yes, because normal Chinese phones are now maybe have some restriction from the Android and Play Store, but I'm not sure. That's maybe my understanding. Okay, MIUI, so Xiaomi user interface. This is perhaps version 14, and let's start. Select language, English, United States. Okay, what else I'm supposed to do? Okay, text size, what I'm supposed to do? Perhaps press next. Saudi Arabia, setting up region and term conditions, some user terms and conditions that we got to express. I didn't read it, but I'll say agree. And it's powering up. I do not have a SIM card right now. I do not have a Wi-Fi password. Perhaps if I have some other network, I'll skip it for now. So Google services, no, I don't sell usage information. Allow scanning, use location, install and update app, accept. Okay, I'm gonna skip also this setting. So the phone is getting ready, and so there's some basic setting that depends on what you want to do. If you want to have a location access, I think we need a location. Send user diagnostic data, I don't want. Automatic system update, okay. Personalized aids, user experience program, sorry, not interested. Update apps manually, okay, next. And set up lock and screen, I'm gonna skip for now. So now let's see, it is preparing, and I think it may need a while and to set it up, but let me see. Meanwhile, I can install the casing and see how it looks like. So this is a silicone, perhaps silicone or rubber, I ain't sure, but this is the casing. Okay, casing is well designed with it. Anyway, thank you. This is thanks to Xiaomi, they just provided a free casing for it, and this look pretty nice, not bad. And just a second, let's our system boot up. When I say system, of course it's a phone, so we're waiting for the phone to boot up, and let's see our first experience, how it gonna be. Setup complete. Okay. Okay. So there's a pretty much bunch of application pre-installed. Almost any application you might need is there. You have a Facebook, okay, LinkedIn, Meet, Google, Chrome, Gmail, I don't know, couple of games, Netflix, I don't know, it's a preloaded, YouTube, something good, it's already there. I think it's having more than expected application. Let me navigate how the application look like. So I did not install any SIM or did not connect it to Wi-Fi, but that's what we're gonna try later on, and I will let you know once I install the SIM card inside it and connected to a network. I do not remember my network password, so this is for another day. Let me go to the setting, about phone. What do I have here? Storage occupied 30 GB out of 512. Okay. Okay, you see here, nice. If you just move, so it's like water tilting left and right. Device name Poco M6 Pro. It's using MIU version 14, Android version 13. Okay, Android security update on the last one for January 8, 2024. There's nothing else I have to see. What else I can see here? Fingerprints and all the setting we got to be doing later on. So I see navigation is quick. I don't know, because I have to, maybe perhaps I have to update the software, because I think there has to be new patch or new version update available, but that's, I will check it later on. So as of now, this is my unboxing of Poco M6 Pro. This phone is 4G, so I think they have a new version 5G coming up, but since this is a little bit old phone and I'm not using much of internet with mobile data because I use the Wi-Fi, so I believe that this is pretty much good for the pricing. It's available now, since I think it was in a sale, so I get it much more cheaper, and I will let you know that after using it couple of days. I understand I have a lot of things due for review for the laptops which I use, Asus and Galaxy S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra, that I will have to give you honest review after the usage, but I will do it when I get free. Meanwhile, if you want to watch my old unboxing and my honest opinion about the gadgets which you have, I use personally and I unbox them, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like, and if you share it with someone if you care for them. And till then, bye.